The Chief Justice and other judges of the High Court are appointed by whom? Answer is option number B, President. Who among the following is considered as an integral part of Indian Parliament? Answer is option number A, President. Question number 2. What is the eligibility as and tenure of office of President and Vice President in year? Correct answer is option number D, 35 and 5. Question number 4. Who among the following act as the President when neither the President nor the Vice President is available? Answer is option number D, Chief Justice of India. Update मोनबाय थानो थाखाय like and subscribe now. 5 number question. Who among the following is the Commander-in-Chief of all the armed forces? The correct answer is option number C, President. 6 number question. How many Anglo-Indian and other members can be nominated by the Presidents to the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha? Correct answer is option number A, 12 and 2 and 12 members. Question number 7. Who among the following preside over the joint session of both the House of the Parliament? The correct answer is option number D, Speaker of Lok Sabha. Question number 8. Who among the following has the power to make laws on the subject enumerated under List 3 of 7th Schedule? Correct answer is option number D, both B and C. Question 9. How many MPs of Lok Sabha shall support a motion of no confidence in the government before it can be admitted by the Speaker? Answer C, 50 members. Last question, question number 10. Whose fund is created as an imprest account to meet some urgent or unforeseen expenditures of the government? Correct answer is option number A, contingency fund. Thanks for watching. Part 2 is coming soon.